any program, not about my program, any program, we will give that much of seriousness. Then only the things can understand. That is not the fault of that speaker, that is the fault of the listener. He is not giving that much of seriousness. If we giving that much of seriousness, simply the things can understand. It definitely it will be more than the words of that speaker. You can understand the gaps of the words in a sentences. That silent portion you can understand. Otherwise you will catch the dialogues, the words are word by word, very difficult to understand. That's why Athado Dikshayam Vakhyasayam. So the truth should happen inside. Just remove the unnecessary plans, then the plant of the truth will naturally come up. Always it had been happened like that. You know the story of Satyakama in Kenopanishad. Satyakama asked her mother, "Mother, I need Brahmajnana. So what I have to do? I am not a Brahmin." The mother said, "Yeah, I don't know what is your caste because I was a prostitute like that. So you just go and find her and you just go and say to Gautama Muni, your name is Satyakama, means you are loving the truth. Your name is that, the meaning of that word, Satyakama." He asked to Gautama Muni, then Gautama Muni asked, "What is your caste?" He said, "My name is Satyakama." Oh, then definitely if you are seeking the truth, you are Brahmin. By birth, who are you? It is not a problem. It is not a relevant thing. So just he did the Upanayana, Chamata and did Upanayana and sent him with 400 cows to forest. He advised, when the 400 cows became the count of 1,000, you have to come back. Then he went to forest, live along with that animals, and he escaped from the thought process, mind, desires of the normal human beings, and he is more connected with the universe, dharma or awareness. He became more connected with the five senses like animals. The Manomaya Kosha is not allowing you to experience the complete the desire, fulfill the desire. Get a car, normal small car, as per your level of the financial condition. The mind will say, you have to purchase Mercedes or BMW, then only you can enjoy. But really your senses are happy, or it is enough to fulfill your dream or awareness. So never ever the mind should not allow to look your what you have in present, and then you cannot enjoy. Always it is saying in future, the enlightenment you will get in future, next birth or lots of birth later. No, everybody have the right to attain enlightenment now. You are going in the path of that enlightenment. You are slowly experiencing the enlightenment. That freedom, it will increase from your mind, Pranamaya Kosha, Vijnanamaya Kosha. Then you can experience fully the Anandamaya Kosha. So senses are very important. It is stimulating the Vijnanamaya Kosha. The knowledge is coming from only through the senses, cognitive learning, not from the mind. Mind is a recorded data, past recorded data. It is repeating the same thing. The new things, new knowledge is coming from senses. It will keep you always happy and energetic. Mind will destroy your all energy. The mind will make you depressed. Satyagama lived with animals, and one day when the animals, the count became 1,000, the cow started to talk. Cow advised him Brahmajnana, the trees advised the Brahmajnana, the birds advised him Brahmajnana. Through the many thousands of the ways, the nature advised him the truth. Naturally, the experience of the truth stimulated by the nature when the mind became stop. The subconscious mind, conscious mind we can simply stop sometime, but subconscious mind, it is dealing the energy. That's why it is important. Then after he came to Gautama Muni, his face shines like a sun, the Kodi Surya Samaprabha. He came with 1,000 cows. The next Upanishads are advising by this Satyagama Rishi. That is the point of the Sanatana Dharma. Sanatana systems are not creating the slaves. It is creating the warriors. Everybody should be a teacher or guru or enlightened master. It is not creating the disciples. It is wrong. Sanatana system should create the acharyas or the teachers, not by-hearted acharyas, show-offs, the real experiencing acharyas. That is important. You can by heart the hymns of Parashurama Sutra or whatever it is. It is not important how we can experiencing the meaning of that hymns of acharyas. In the ashram of Satyagama Rishi, one person came who is, the name of the person is Upakosalan. Upakosalan started to learn from Satyagama, but he stayed with him many years, but he is not teaching anything. Participating in all karmas, and he is not teaching anything. He became frustrated. He decided to go from here. He is not getting anything. He is expecting that Satyagama will teach him lots of Vedas and hymns and all of that. He knows everything now, but he is not teaching anything. But one day, also decided to go from here. But he overheard Satyagama discuss with some other disciple. That disciple is asking to Satyagama, actually the Upakosala is very skillful disciple. But you are teaching anything to us, but you are not teaching him. He is very disappointed in that. Then Satyagama says, he is very clever and intelligent, that's why I am not teaching. If I will teach, he cannot learn. But if I am not teaching, something will happen. Then Upakosala decided, wait to continue there. One day Satyagama went to some other ashram for teaching. That morning, in front of the Agni, fire, he said, Bhagavan, I am very disappointed. My full of the past. This much of he is my sufferings. it is useless. Nothing is happening. Then started to talk Agni. I will teach you. I will teach you. If Satyabhama is not teaching you, I will teach you. I am the right person to teach Brahma Vidya. It is correct. In Brahmins, I quote the holy thread. Atmiyor Acharya, my Acharya said, Atmiyor Acharya. Your Acharya, your master is Agni, fire. Because death can teach you the truth. When we are in lockdown, if we are in fear of disease, definitely we will think, my financial planning was wrong. Everything was wrong. My attitude about life, I have to change something in my attitude. Everybody feels that. Because death is a very good teacher. A talk with death, that is Kathopanishad. Nachiketas is learning Brahma Vidya from Yama, deity of death. Your plan is connected with your death. Simply you can calculate properly everything. Otherwise it will be wrong. So Agnihotracharya, the Agni started to activate in Brahma Vidya. When returned back to Satyabhama, he noticed the disciple is enlightened. He asked, who teach this one? If you are not here, who will teach this one? Yeah, that is Agni. I am waiting for that only. If I will say, I cannot say this much of clarity. But the Agni started to teach. That will be perfect. I cannot teach like that. I can teach, but I cannot teach in that much of perfection. Now it is perfect. The enlightenment should come like that.